We survived. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yes.
Thanks to this.
Have you ever went kayaking?
Oh my God! Stop listening.
No, but do you wish to die?
No. But anyways, I'm Lexie,
I'm Miguel.
and we are playing.
Stop. I need to change. Wait. I just need to change.
What are we playing? What are we playing?
Boat ride to get a better life.
And we should.
Yeah, we have
Whatever.
the worst life.
Whatever it says on the title.
Let's go. We're gonna go on the double kayak.
Oh, look at this guy suffering.
Oh my gosh, so
Wait,
fun.
actually, can I change a different
I wish I
one?
was him.
But it sucks.
No, change this.
Oh, turn this way.
I know where to turn.
Oh my God,
Here's how.
What the heck? I think he's spitting on his screen.
Sharp turn. Sharp.
Yee.
But not too sharp.
Yes, not too sharp. Soft.
Or
Hey, don't push
or
us.
it'll harm us both. Like we did when we cut apples with knives.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Just said I'm done.
That does not sound funny.
We're just too
But
good
it
at
will
this
to
game.
them, so.
We're so good at this game, guys.
I can't find you.
Then we make a sharp turn. Sharp.
Bro, what are you doing? We're going backwards.
Let's just say that. Oh, hey,
Bro, move. Okay, we got it.
Thanks to this guy, we survived.
We survived. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh yes.
Thanks to this guy, we survived. Let's continue. I'm not taking sharp turns this time.
Wait for me. What's that?
Wait, Kuya, you make the thumbnail.
No.
Okay, we're doing this again, guys.
Oh, it's upstairs. It's right over here. I want to be in the top.
Alright. Make a sharp turn.
Okay.
Oh.
What the heck? What the heck? Turn into a whole tsunami.
I'm not jumping.
Oh my god.
Turn this way. Oh, no,
What you doing? You're making a whole tsunami.
I'm not.
What's that?
Whoa.
Wake up and see me sleep. It's funny when I sleep.
We'll make a sharp right.
How is it funny when you sleep?
I just do a pose of sleep.
What? POV, you're the first to sleep in a sleepover.
Okay. We have to stay away from them at all cost. The people behind us.
Yeah, you better not end up having a. No, wait. That was
I'm
close.
laying down.
That was too close. Alright.
We're so good. Oh my gosh, we're so pro.
Let it flow for a second.
What's that?
Please don't touch. That's what it says on the chart.
Why?
Gap. Oh no, not the store.
I can decorate it.
Bruh.
Please don't touch.
Wait, do you want a vanity?
What if I can
do
touch
our
it?
makeup?
I
No,
want to
you
touch
can't.
it so bad.
Hey, we got the checkpoint. Okay, stay in
And
the
what
boat.
the heck are these tiny things? Oh, okay, let's continue.
Ooh.
Oh, we're speeding up.
What's that?
We're speeding up. We better not fail
Where are
this.
you?
What are we, on snow?
You just read
We're on
it.
ice.
Physics here. This isn't the physics.
We're on ice, Marto.
Then why do I see the ripples on it? The water
because it's shredded ice.
Hold on. Your oar.
Wait, what's that?
Slow down. Okay, I get
Okay.
it. I get it.
Can we play somewhere else? Because I
Speeding
got
up.
out of my house.
Woo!
Whoa, this way. this way, this way, this way, this
Can-
way.
Oh my
we
gosh,
play
we're
a
so good at this
different
game.
Please ignore the other surroundings or
Well, where are
soundings or
you?
other.
Yeah, background sound, you mean.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, hold on.
Yo, hold on!
Hold on!
Stop swinging!
Oh!
Oh, and then I say no, and
Bruh.
then you say you better die.
What?